Welcome to Visible Chain Technology, helping manufacturers to build better supply chains. In this short video, we examine the concept of exponential material markup as assemblies transcend their supply chain. By using Visible Chain software solutions to identify cost bias at the lowest level in the supply chain, we will explain how the exponential effect can also be used to greatly reduce material costs. In this example, we have a PCB costing €400 from supplier N. 20% of this total is margin, €300 relates to a single custom component, the balance relating to numerous other components. Level 3 supplier purchases the assembly from Level N and applies a charge. 20% of the Level 3 price relates to margin. We will track the charges relating to the PCB processor as it transcends through the remaining supplier levels. In this case, the PCB margin is €96 and €72 of these relate to the processor. Again, supplier level 2 adds margin and material charges as shown. Again, here we show supplier level 1 adds margin and material charges. Finally, when the PCB assembly has reached the final stage in the supply chain, there have been 4 instances of margin and charges applied to the PCB. Visible Chain solutions can identify this type of scenario and by selectively reducing the allowable margin on individual high-value items can significantly reduce material costs. If the processor was identified at the start and the margin reduced to 10% just for supplier N, that is €30, then the net saving would be €55 or 6% reduction in the cost of the processor when landed at the OEM. The following section is an overview of our PLM product, Arena PLM. Arena PLM is an online documentation repository for the control and distribution of documentation, making sure the correct version of documents like bills of materials, specifications, drawings, procedures, processes are in the correct location and the correct version is a major task for any organization. Current documentation control systems are very complex, with different partners located in different time zones all around the world. This is a very time-consuming situation and can be prone to distribution errors. Arena PLM simplified this process. We provide one secure location where all latest versions can be downloaded, where every party involved knows where the correct version is, thus eliminating documentation distribution errors. The Arena PLM web-based solution delivers the following benefits to manufacturing companies: reduced costs, controlled, centralized, globally accessible, aids compliance, improves collaboration, and is a low-risk option for effective documentation management. Visible Chain, lean supply chain by design.